Squirrel. Turtle. What's the next one? X. Duck. Squirrel. Turtle. A. X. Oh, Q. Yeah, Q. What's the next one? P. Oh, there's an N on that side. A. What comes after this A? E. Where's the N? A yellow A. What's that one? Y. Oh. S. A. A yellow A? That's a yellow R, but it's close. A's and R's look alike, don't they? Yellow A.